high, based on performance and budget-friendly price point. This product is one of the best under-cabinet range hood. Let's see the features of this great product. A little easier with Cosmo's new sleek and slim 30-inch under-cabinet range hood. Featuring a completely brushed stainless steel body and easy-to-use push controls, this hood is a welcome addition to any home. Packed with everything you need, it features 3 fan speeds, 200 CFM of suction, and an easy-to-clean surface. Energy-efficient LED lighting ensures high visibility throughout all times of the day. An included set of dishwasher-safe aluminum filters can be quickly removed for easy, mess-free cleaning. Using easy push-button controls, 3 fan speeds are available for multiple pots and pans and worry-free cooking for home. Easy access top and rear venting options are built in for versatility and compatibility no matter the type of kitchen. Just simply twist and lock in the type of venting you need for your home. The next time you're looking for an under-cabinet range hood, look for Cosmo's new 5MU30.